You must hear these Serbian sentences all the time, but Google Translate is no good in these situations. Nema šta nema doesn't mean nothing is wrong. Instead, it means that somebody or something has everything you need. Na primjer, u ovoj prodavnici možeš da kupiš sve za kuću. Nema šta nema. Možeš misliti, or more frequently we use the short form of this sentence, moš misliti, doesn't mean you can think. Instead, we use it when we want to say yeah, right, or I don't really care. Na primjer, if somebody tells you, uči više da bi imao više para, you can respond, aha, moš misliti. Nije do tebe, do mene je. Google translated this as, it's not up to you, it's up to me. But we use this sentence when we are breaking up with someone and when we want to say, it's not you, it's me. I hope you won't have to use this sentence too much. Do you know any other Serbian sentences that can confuse Google?